All right, please enjoy that sound. So she, you dey hear that sound? I dey like that bird well well. That bird dey speak languages like 20 different sound. Okay. If you want continue like that, you go hear say the bird go sing different kind of sound, different kind of sound. You go think say okay. You dey on top that tree. If I go close now, the thing go fly away. It be like backup song. It be like backup music. So if you are inside farm, when you dey hear sound like this, if you no carry phone, carry your music go farm. Okay. So if you sabi the name of that bird on the comment section, please tell us.